Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing great. Today should be a quick video because there's only three defined 0 DTE ETFs so far. So I just want to go over their NAV discount analysis as of December 2023. So Defiance has created a lot of buzz, but are we overpaying? And I just want to real quick address some of the complaints. Yes, I'm sorry. I have the face for radio and the voice of a dumpster. It's not that great. um, yes, I can't. It's hard to stop saying and whatever. Just pretend I'm meditating. If it really bothers you that bad, you can watch 2x speed. There's other plenty of YouTube channels for you to enjoy, or even better, be the change you want to see. Let me know about your high yield analysis videos. I'll be sure to watch them and critique them too. And I just want to say like, there's no love for people trying to do the best, trying to give like free content, especially on financial analysis. Just there is no love. So I'm gonna link a video in the description from Jay-Z. You know, these videos cost you nothing. Pay me no money if you don't like it. You can just move on. No problem. Look, I'm old, I'm tired, and I'm working with children here. So, you know, take it or leave it. Okay, so with that out of my off my chest, so Jeppy only spent 11 days at a discount. So and there's not that much uh, room for error here. There's like only 60 basis points discount at its best. Triple QY, same similar thing, 11% days at a discount. But then again, these are relatively new, and this one only has like at best like 40 basis point discount. So when you see these at a discount, try to grab them when you can. IWMY. Well, this one is pretty funny. They uploaded the statement of additional information instead of the discount graph, so I can't tell. I'm gonna guess it's probably around maybe 10% to 12% discount, similar to these other guys, and also because it's been on the market a little bit less. I've already sent the Defiance team a tweet, just letting them know. So hopefully they'll get back to us soon. So you might be able to lower your cost basis, but it doesn't seem like the discounts will last very long. And it does, well, actually for Defiance, it's not so bad because there's only three ETFs, so you can just click on each of the ETF pages and check it out yourself. The yield max ones take quite a bit of time. So anyway, if you can help, if you like this type of content, please help the channel grow. If you could give me a like, that'd be greatly appreciated. Of course, I appreciate all my old and new subscribers. Hope everyone does well. Help old Panda beat the algo, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.